Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you've been scrolling through videos trying to find real ways to make money online without any experience, you are in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you 5 easy online jobs that anyone can start right from home. No degree, no fancy skills, and absolutely no startup costs. Each one of these can earn you between $100 to $500 per week, and some people are even making more once they scale up. So grab a notebook, hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm, and let's dive right in. Let's start with one of the easiest platforms out there, Fiverr. Now, most people think Fiverr is only for professional designers or programmers, but that's just not true anymore. There are literally hundreds of beginner-friendly gigs you can offer right now. Things like writing short blog posts or product descriptions, creating simple logos with free tools like Canva, doing voiceovers just using your phone's microphone, or even offering video subtitles and TikTok captions. The best part? Fiverr is completely free to join, and you get to set your own price. You can start small, maybe $5 or $10 per gig, and as you complete orders and get those 5-star reviews, you can steadily raise your rates. Here's a pro tip. Look at the top-rated sellers in your niche. Study their titles, their thumbnails, and their pricing. Copy their structure, not their work. That's how you stand out faster. You can easily make $100 to $300 a week doing just 2 or 3 gigs a day once you get some traction. Next up, let's talk about becoming a virtual assistant, or VA for short. A VA is basically an online helper who assists businesses with small but important tasks like replying to emails, organizing schedules, researching content ideas, or managing their social media accounts. You don't need a degree for this at all. What you do need is good communication and, most importantly, reliability. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and even online jobs. Peach have tons of openings for beginners. You can start at around $5 to $10 an hour, and as you gain experience, you can charge up to $20 or even $30 an hour. Just imagine doing this part-time. That's a few $100 a week, working from your laptop or even your phone. Alright. If you want something super easy to get your foot in the door, try microtasks or data entry. These are simple, straightforward jobs like filling out forms, tagging images, or transcribing short audio clips. A few great websites to check out for this are Clickworker, Remote Tasks, and Amazon Mechanical Turk. Now, this kind of work won't make you rich overnight, but it's an amazing starting point. Perfect for beginners or students who just want to earn some extra cash. With a little consistency, you can definitely make $100 to $200 a week just by doing it in your free hours. Here's a fun one. Helping content creators. Thousands of YouTubers, TikTokers, and podcasters are actively looking for help with things like creating captions, designing thumbnails, simple video editing, or repurposing their long-form content into short clips. You don't need to be an expert editor. Tools like CapCut, Canva, and even ChatGPT make this stuff incredibly easy. A great way to start is by offering to help small creators for free or for a small fee. Once you build a mini portfolio of your work, you can start charging $15 to $30 per project. Search on Facebook groups or Reddit for terms like YouTube help or content editor needed. There is always demand. Finally, let's talk about selling simple digital products. This is a game changer. You can create and sell things like printable planners, resume templates, or Notion dashboards on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Payhip. It might take you a few hours to design one product, but you can earn from it forever. Tools like Canva and Creative Fabrica make it really easy to create beautiful, professional-looking designs. For example, let's say someone sells a weekly budget planner for just $5. If only 100 people buy it in a month, that's $500 in passive income. Once you upload it, it literally earns money while you sleep. So there you have it, 5 easy online jobs you can start today with zero experience. We covered Fiverr gigs, virtual assistant work, microtasks, content creation support, and selling digital products. My advice? Start with just one. Focus on it for 30 days, and watch how fast you improve and start earning. Comment below which one you're going to try first. If this video helped you out, please give it a like. And be sure to subscribe for more ways to earn smart money online the easy way. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.